Chopping down a tree.
You know, just to make it fun.
Right. I want a daydream then.
When you get the daydream, unlock the daydream's necklace, you can have all 5 of them out at once. If you have all 5, if you.
Ow! Ow!
Only 5 in your party, and then.
Stone.
Oh yeah, caught me a fire. It's only 34. Don't be so dramatic.
Oh, he's looking at
Oh,
a
so
regular one, not the.
Why are you helping me make this? You are helping me.
Yeah, that's why we have a.
Inside the base.
Yeah, everyone's gonna get knocked out in a second. Don't worry.
I did not.
I think I might have to hold on.
Do you want?
Oh,
Yeah,
I'm gonna barf.